All right, sort 19. Here we go. So in sort 19, we're going to talk about the short A sound, which you've heard lots already by now. And we're going to talk about the long A sound and some new ways that the long A sound is made. So, of course, we're going to review some of the old ways as well. So in this sort, we have our short A words. Those ones are the ones that are made by CVC words. So, for example, glass. We've got an ah sort of sound in the word glass. That would be a short A sound. We also have, this one's also a review. It's a long A sound that's made by CVC E words. So that E on the end makes that V say its own name. That's our long A sound. So in a word like, fling that in there upside down, shape, shape, okay? Now, we've talked about CVVC words, so that's where those two vowels work together to make that vowel, that long A sound. And so in this sort, the two vowels that are going to work together are A and I. So in a word like nail, nail, the A and the I are working together to make the long A sound. And then our last new sound, or our last long A sound for today, this is a new letter combination. And this is one that we find at the end of words most commonly. So this is a long A sound that's made by the letters A and Y. So like in the word play. So pl, and then this A and Y together are making an A sound. Now the oddball in this sort is the word they, because you hear a long A sound, but you don't see any of these letter combinations. Instead, that A sound is coming from the E and the Y. So this one is our oddball in this sort.